the laboratory of Professor Ulrike Gaul at the Rockefeller University in New York. Here, Professor Gaul and her team are conducting cutting-edge research in the field of systems biology, with the goal of understanding how sophisticated gene expression is regulated in organisms. Therefore, Professor Gaul has revisited a classic paradigm of developmental biology, the segmentation of the Drosophila embryo.
What we're trying to understand is the development of an organism from the fertilized egg to the mature animal. And as you can see, this is a very complex process that involves the activity of thousands of different genes in a very coordinated fashion. And what we are trying to really get at is to understand complex patterns of gene expression, how they are brought about and how are they so well coordinated. And we know that this information is encoded in the DNA surrounding the genes, and we would like to find the elements that drive the expression and would like to understand how the information for making specific patterns is actually embedded in the DNA.
As an innovative expert in systems biology, Professor Gaul is investigating the combined impact within the body. She is trying to understand the complex interaction inside biological systems, rather than isolating individual genes and proteins in a traditional way.
I think we will understand development much better, and as I say, we'll have much better way of dealing with disease, for example, and looking at complex interactions between the disease and so forth. So I think systems biology, to me, is really the way of answering almost all future scientific questions.
At the Munich Gene Centre, Professor Gaul is now expected to raise systems biology research to an international cutting-edge level and network with other working groups through interdisciplinary collaboration.
Zunächst mal freue ich mich auf den Austausch.
First and foremost, I'm looking forward to the exchange. It is enriching for me personally, as well as an asset for my own scientific work. Our team deals with structural biology, which means that we are interested in the interactions between molecules, in the ways they communicate with each other. Professor Gaul follows another approach. Her research deals with the development of the organism as a whole. And now we have to try to bring these two fields of research closer together.
Und beides gemeinsam unter einen Hut zu kriegen.
The Gene Centre at the LMU is world leading in trying to understand gene expression at the molecular mechanistic level using biochemistry and structural biology. And I think together we will have an almost unique combination of technologies and know-how to solve this very complex problem. And I believe that this mix has a very great potential for innovation and real breakthroughs. And so this was actually the main reason I decided to go to Munich.